Education is going to be a huge key to the impacts that society has had on the world. I feel like this is a great opportunity for all of us to make a real difference, and I feel like INEOS really is out to make that difference, especially since we just announced our intention to get to net zero. So I joined INEOS from university. I went to school for chemical engineering. At the career fair, I really started to learn more about INEOS. It's my mentor actually recruited me. The first couple of weeks, I was able to start working on good-sized capital projects that make a real difference. You go through your initial training, and then you immediately start to transition with your coworkers, your mentors, and those folks on really meaningful projects right away. And then that doesn't mean that you are all left on your own. You're always given resources to, this is your problem, go tackle it, but okay, here's your team for the technology group, here's your operations resources, here's the people that you need to go to talk to go see this problem in the field, go put your hands on it, go see it, talk to people who work with it every day, and that's really great for early career engineers. I've done several roles for the past 7 years, so I've been in our technology group, a lot of interesting problem solving there, and then I was in operations, and then I moved on to our commercial projects group to optimize the units and work with operations and commercial to make sure we have seamless communication and planning. I think climate change is significant in all of our lives. Hurricane Harvey was devastating to this area. Several of our coworkers were extremely impacted by it. It took months for them to recover and to get contractors to work on their homes and everything. So I definitely felt that we were needing to, bind together. And I think INEOS did really well at helping our employees where we could with, equipment that you just didn't see with other companies. I feel, really thankful that INEOS does take care of their employees within challenging times. A lot of companies don't do that. It's definitely our greatest asset is our people, and I think that's one thing that I've definitely noticed is having coworkers where you have that positive environment and you can lean on each other is amazing. I would tell future graduates or those that are considering INEOS to really look at the track records of what things people say they're going to do and what they actually do. I think INEOS is very good at communicating, hey, we set this goal for ourselves and look what we did. We really made this happen. INEOS is not afraid of a challenge, and you can really see that with everything we do.